Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're uncovering an astonishing archaeological find beneath the Kalambo Falls in Zambia. Imagine wooden structures dating back nearly 500,000 years. This discovery sheds light on the advanced carpentry skills of early humans, far beyond what we previously believed possible for that era. This groundbreaking find is part of the Deep Roots of Humanity project, led by Larry Barham from the University of Liverpool. It reveals extraordinary insights into the technical abilities of our ancient ancestors. Back in the 1950s, archaeologist Desmond Clark discovered a unique wooden piece at Kalambo Falls. Although Clark realized the wood had been intentionally carved, the dating techniques of the time couldn't determine its age accurately. His use of radiocarbon dating couldn't surpass the 50,000-year mark, leaving him unable to prove his theory. Fast forward to recent years. A team of scientists returned with modern dating techniques like luminescence dating, which successfully traced the age of the wood to at least 476,000 years. By using this method, researchers determined when the surrounding sand grains last saw sunlight, providing a precise age range of 453,000 to 499,000 years for the wooden pieces. This find not only alters our understanding of ancient human artistry but also suggests that the use of wood was far more prevalent than previously thought. While some reports have described the wooden planks as part of a hut, researchers propose they might have been components of a wooden platform, walkway, or a base for storing food or firewood. The evidence, such as tool-like marks on the wood, indicates deliberate shaping rather than natural erosion. The significance of this discovery lies in its demonstration of early humans' ability to select and skillfully manipulate wood. The unique environmental conditions at Kalambo Falls, where water saturation preserved materials over time, played a crucial role in keeping these wooden artifacts intact. This archaeological breakthrough reveals that early humans had woodworking capabilities previously unknown. Advances in modern dating techniques have enabled scientists to reassess the skills and capacities of ancient humans, adding a new dimension to our understanding of human history. Subscribe to Science Hub for more intriguing science discoveries.